What's going on, everybody? It's Tuesday. It's definitely going to be a short week. The markets, I believe, are closed Thursday. Just seeing what everybody's got going on, and then give you guys a little update of the current trade that I'm in. Right now, I'm in Plug. I do trade Plug a lot. It's kind of my go-to setup. I'm just looking at some statistics on this stock, and I'm up over 12 grand on this stock this year, which is pretty cool to see. So I definitely know the stock pretty well on how it performs. I know a lot of you that maybe watch my channel obviously don't trade this. Haven't really got to trade penny stocks this week. But this is kind of like my swing. But it's going to be a big swing trade. Just give you guys a little update on what I got going. And yeah. Pretty much I'm only really going to talk about this trade. I could definitely break down some patterns. Maybe in tomorrow's video or something. Like with the penny stocks. I seen G-Tech and that other stock moving. They look pretty similar together. But this is going to be just kind of like a current update on what I got going on. Obviously, if you guys follow me a while, obviously I trade Plug quite a bit. But so what I got going on right now is yesterday I actually ended up shorting the stock. Today I'm actually longing this. So my thought process is this keeps making higher highs. So as of right now, I'll show you an active trader. I'm 400 shares long. Average price $42.11. Obviously, you can see connected real-time data. So you can obviously see that this is a real account. But my thought process is this. I have another 100 shares I'll buy if this comes to 41s. And I have another 100 shares if this comes to 40s. Now, if this breaks 42.50 tomorrow, I'm definitely probably going to add some size if I see the right thing. And I got to get it as close as I can to this 42.50. So my thought process is this. If we look back on this chart, as long as this stays realistically 38s, 39s, and above that, I'm totally fine if it pulls back. I'll be red, but I really don't want to see it go under 38. If it goes under 38, I'm definitely short biased on the stock. But if it keeps above the 38, 39, realistically, I don't really want to see it to go even to 39. But if it does, it's not going to be the end of the world. But 38s is probably going to be... If I start seeing 37s printing, I think it'll definitely the uptrend will definitely be over with, and then I'll realistically think that I'll be looking to short the stock. Cheers to anyone. So my thought process. Let me get rid of this so everybody knows my current position. So. 400 shares. So right now I'm currently invested about $16,000. So my thought process is this. Either one, tomorrow it gaps up. And what I'm looking for is a pattern like over here. Let me highlight it. I know I got a lot of lines on, but I kind of got to keep them. Because, okay, why isn't this working? So my thought process is one of two things. Tomorrow, this gaps up, kind of like what it did here, And if I see any kind of resemblance to this pattern, I'm probably going to hit it hard. But if I don't, I got to be really careful. Because 42s, I'll add at 41 to 40s. Anything under 40, I'll probably add. So I'll have 600 shares. Oh, finally pops up. I'll add under the 41s and 40s. But anything under 40, I probably won't keep adding. I'll add another 200 shares. But if this gets above, if I see this pattern here tomorrow, and I see some strength, I want to be 1,000 shares long as close as I can get to 43s. So my thought process is I can make $3,000 to $4,000 when it gets back up to 46, or I'm going to take a $500 to $1,000 loss if this realistically gets under the 39s to 38s. Like I say, my last ad's going to be at 40, and then I will not add anymore. If it shows me a lot of strength, like something like this in the morning, I'm definitely going to be full size, probably 1,000 shares, and then my target will definitely be 46.50. So I'm looking at a, depending on where I can get filled, if everything goes right, which we know trading it never does. I just take it day to day. So I'm looking to, my target's 46, and I'll stop out in the 38s. So if I do lose, I'm only going to be 600 shares long to the 38s. And if I see a lot of strength, I'm going to be 1,000 shares as close as I can get to this 42.50. I believe by next week I'll definitely know the reality of this trade. It's either going to be a $3,000 or $4,000 winner, or it's going to be $500 to $1,000 loss. One of the two is going to happen. But this keeps pushing higher and higher. So just want to give you guys a little update. This is definitely more of a swing trade. But in the way that I'm looking at this is if I can make $4,000 in a week, it's definitely worth it. So if this does go back up to the 46.50s or even higher, it definitely won't be my biggest win, but it'll be definitely be a nice winner. But yeah, that's my update on this stock. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm sure not too many people trade this, but this stock is pretty volatile. I'll definitely give it that. I mean, you're moving 3 to 4 points a day. This thing definitely does move. That's why I like it. And plus, I'm really familiar with the pattern. I'm not saying that like this is going to be a winner. This thing can go to 38s, 37s, and I lost. But my thing is, if this goes to, if this breaks 38s, if this starts cracking below these lows and we start getting to the 37s, I believe the uptrend is finally done. So right now, I'm literally just playing the momentum of the stock, and yeah, we'll definitely find out tomorrow. I don't think if it goes to the highs tomorrow, if it goes to 46s, I'll be definitely out of the trade. If it wants to continue lower, like I say, I'm only going to add 200 more shares, and then that's my cap on if it decides to drop. But I figured if I can get filled at 42.50 and this goes to 46, that's a $4,000 winner in less than a week. To me, that's really good money. Yeah, just give you guys a little update in the trade that I'm in currently right now. I definitely can see like short buying. I definitely do trade the stock a lot. So, yeah. So that's all I really got in this video is I'm either looking for a $4,000 winner or it's probably going to be between $500 and $1,000 loss on this trade. In the time frame, I expect the stock to do it by either this week or next week. So I'll definitely be watching the pattern in the stock. The pattern definitely does tell you. So, with all that said, I hope you guys have a green day, a green week, a happy Thanksgiving. And yeah, enjoy the holidays. Take some time off, enjoy with your family and friends. And if anybody made it to the end of this video, thank you for all the support. We're definitely getting close to that 1,000 subscribers. I can't not wait till I hit 1,000 subscribers. Like, it's been years and years in the making, and I know I'm not as consistent as a lot of YouTubers like YouTubers out there, but I definitely have a different style, and I definitely trade my own style. I definitely don't look for anybody's advice where to buy, where to sell. It's every trade that I do is on my own. So yeah. Till next time, traders. Peace.